Hi, yeah, everyone. I'm Tom, and I look after the AI safety work at faculty. I'm going to talk a little bit about both our mission, but also our theory of change as to how what we do practically leads towards aligned AI in the future. Like, faculty, as you may know, are an applied AI firm at our core. So we build software for our clients, both in government and in the private sector, where we're solving their real-world problems. But our mission is safe, widespread adoption of AI. So how do we, as the safety team, help achieve this? We work in three key areas. So we work on catastrophic harm, so those traditional CBRN and cyber harms, but also I put like catastrophic economic change in this bucket as well. We work on child and societal harms. Now, those are absolutely critical for getting public confidence in AI. And then the third bucket we work on is on AI risk management and assurance for deployed AI systems. Now, the beauty of being able to work on all three of those is it allows us to work directly with the two sets of actors that are capable of actually enacting sort of complete AI safety regimes. Those are governments, and we've heard from some of those already, and from the frontier model companies themselves. So by working with those two groups of people, the impact we really want to have, and we want to support everyone in this room in having, is supporting policy, regulation, and international cooperation, but also in creating a safety race to the top rather than a race to the bottom, and like supporting public benchmarks and ways of creating that kind of positive safety environment. So that's our thesis and that's our mission. But how do we actually do this in practice? So we do four things. We develop evaluations. So those are both against like systemic harms, so societal and child harms I've talked about, but persuasion and deception, and also some of the more insidious things like radicalization and extremism. We also do them across the classic misuse risks, CBRN, cyber, and some of those more niche ones like disinformation, electoral interference, and influence operations. The second set of work we do is we do pre-deployment red teaming. So we do red teaming services on sort of any modality from those traditional ones through to the ones that we've only seen in the last year, like UI action models, computer use models, or products which are more complete agentic systems. We also are starting to do red teaming against embodied systems. And this year, I think we're looking forward to work on where AI is more involved in the whole end-to-end scientific process in working with wet lab-based applied systems. And all of this is underpinned by a whole bunch of automation and tooling that we've built to drive like both single-turn probes and multi-turn systems for really exploring niche risks while we're red teaming. The third set of things we do is like explicitly test safeguards. So developing novel attacks and jailbreaks. We work on safeguards that are built into like products and deployed systems. And for example, those that might be in specific API instantiations of a model. And we've also done some of our own training of safeguards in specific settings. Now, the fourth bucket of things we do is maybe the most interesting. And so here we have a whole bunch of work which is strategic and advisory work. We do economic impact modeling of the adoption of AI. And actually, we've got a paper coming out next week, which I will share with any of you who are interested. We do safety guidance for both government and companies who are working on AI adoption. In fact, we worked with the Department for Education on their framework for safe AI for edtech firms. And then one exciting thing that we've also been working on is doing wargaming, where we bring in senior decision makers and help them understand the pace of change and the exceptional decisions they're going to have to make over the next few years. And we have a documentary that we did in collaboration, which is going to be released and premiered on the 15th of March. So do come and see that at CPH Docs. All of this work is underpinned by our pool of subject matter experts here in the UK. We've got over 50 people across all of these harm areas working with us, and always welcome new collaborators here. So if you want to hear any more about any of this work in detail, if you want to collaborate with us, if you want to come and work for us, or if you're interested in our solutions, do come and grab me afterwards. Thanks very much.